Namaskar. I am Lham Dorjee of class 6 from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Mukto. It is immense pleasure for me to introduce an outstanding author who has contributed a lot to the Indian English literature. He is none other than Sri R.K. Narayanan. His full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Lair Narayana Swamy. He was born on 10th of October 1906 in Madras. Basically, R.K. Narayanan is popular for fiction, mythological and non-fiction writing. He has been awarded with the Pension Medal, the Sahitya Academy Fellowship and the Padma Vibhushan. He has written so many famous stories and novels such as The Malgudi Days, The English Teacher, Swami and Friends, Grandmother's Tales, The Talkative Man, and A Tiger for Malgudi, and so on. In every book of Sri R.K. Narayanan, the simplicity of life, the rural Indian customs, and the contemporary society were nicely described. He was nominated to the Rajya Sabha also. He left this earth on 13th of May 2001 at the age of 94. I strongly admire Sri R.K. Narayanan as an author. Everyone must read the stories and novels of Sri R.K. Narayanan, which will definitely provide you immense pleasure about the Indian society. And it will also satisfy the quenchless craving of a good reader. Although Sri R.K. Narayanan is no more with us, but his creations always provide him immortality in English literature. Dhanyavad.